Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the RAID chip is in your inventory and equipped. This matters because chips register only when active. Once equipped, move straight to C3 and join a crew of 1 to 4 players to split aggro and loot faster. Make sure to approach the designated RAID island shown on your map and watch NPC audio cues and timers. They trigger spawns. By doing these first steps quickly, you reduce downtime and ensure the RAID registers correctly with your chip. Once you see the boss spawn and minions appear, activate the RAID chip at about 50% spawn or immediately on first wave to guarantee credit. Timing matters because late activation can void rewards. You and your crew should assign roles. Tank holds aggro, DPS bursts boss phases, and a support keeps revival items ready, so actions stay coordinated. During heavy damage phases, use mobility skills and blocking to survive. Doing so preserves chip integrity and keeps the RAID progressing toward the loot condition. You finish by ensuring the boss is defeated while the RAID chip is active. Proximity and last hit mechanics often determine drop ownership, so stay close until the loot window appears and claim immediately. If you don't receive RAID rewards, relog and rejoin the same server to check spawn consistency, then inspect whether the chip was unequipped or timed out. This is a common cause. One troubleshooting tip: if rewards fail, try repeating with the exact same crew and activate the chip earlier to rule out timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.